Mastering the phrase, in a row, unlocking its meaning and usage. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase that might seem simple but is packed with meaning and nuances. We're talking about, in a row. Understanding phrases like this is key to sounding more natural in English. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of in a row together. The phrase, in a row, is used to describe something happening consecutively or successively. It's like stacking things one after another without a break. When you say something happened 3 days in a row, it means it happened on one day, then the next, and then the next, 3 days without interruption. In a row is versatile and appears in various contexts. For instance, time sequences, she worked 7 days in a row. Competitions and games, he won 5 matches in a row. Everyday activities, I've had pasta for dinner 3 nights in a row. It's important to understand that, in a row, implies a sequence without breaks or interruptions. While in a row is common, there are other phrases with a similar meaning. Such as, consecutively, he has been elected as the president 4 times consecutively. Successively, the company has increased its profits successively over the past 3 years. These phrases can often be used interchangeably, but in a row is more colloquial. Beware of confusing in a row with phrases that sound similar but have different meanings. For example, in a line refers to a physical arrangement and doesn't imply a sequence of events or time. Let's practice. Try using in a row in a sentence about your life. For instance, I've jogged in the park 3 days in a row. And that's in a row for you. Remember, it's all about sequential events without breaks. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be stringing sentences together as smoothly as they come, maybe even many days in a row. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.